So we came to Myakka River State Park in Sarasota, Florida. We've actually paid online. They have that option now, but it's not required. And then you just show them like a copy of it on your phone or something like that. The visitor center I think is closed, but the campgrounds and stuff like that are still pretty much open. So far you could see we've seen a couple gators and stuff at the bridge, but we just got here and we are going to go to the Canopy. I'm not sure how it is called. Let me see. The Canopy Walkway tours is where we're going to head to now, and we'll record that for you. Also, they do boat tours here for an additional fee, and they have camping stations and stuff like that. I'll show you guys the map later, and I'll show you a little bit of the trail now. So you can see the trail is pretty wide. But would I say it's like wheelchair accessible? No, because there's a lot of routes besides. That's where we are about to climb, and a wheelchair can't go up that. That's the Canopy. That's what we're going to go up. They do allow service animals. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
We made it up to the top. It was a little more than 30 steps or so. Not too bad. Our view down the bridge. We're just waiting on turn so that people enjoy it. It is entrance one way, exit the other.
I'm just gonna speed walk.
Oh, this is kind of fun. Oh, it wobbles. Ah, it wobbles and shakes. Oh my God, who's shaking it? Okay, are you shaking it? Huh? Is that you walking? Holy crap. Once you get to the end of the bridge, there's actually another little observation deck with another, oh, well, there's one more. Let's see. 7. You don't have to keep going so fast.
That is so
I checked the structural integrity last week, so you'll be fine.
Definitely shaking more than it did last time.
Oh, great. Yeah,
Coming down?
Wow. So that was about 80 steps or so. I lost count. But
that was fun, right?
look at the view
okay. I'm getting a
from
little.
up here. It's worth it, I think.
Yeah, you should be calm. There's nothing to be scared of.
You
should enjoy it.
I'm actually getting.
This was the little cafe and gifts or whatnot. We did get a drink in there. That's where we saw the boat from. The restrooms are there. So you know that there's an area here. We have to go to the restroom or get a bite to eat or a drink or something like that.
These are the boat tours we're telling you about. This is one of the boats coming back.
Do you remember how much it was?
I think it was about $20 for adults. Children, I don't remember.
Yeah. And this was from the 3 o'clock tour, I bet, because that was the last time. And it's 3:56 right now, so it's about an hour.
Yeah, the last one's at 5, but 5 o'clock you might not see much because it'll be getting dark.
Yeah. The last thing we're gonna see today at the Myakka River State Park is the bird walk. It's a little bit of a boardwalk here. It doesn't have any railings on this part of it. And then it looks like up there it does. So let's go see if we can spot any pretty birds. Safe recreation, keep 6 feet away, limit contact, limit groups of 10 or fewer. And there's about 10 of us on here, so that's still risky, I guess. Ooh, I do not know how you get there, but there is a bench right there, and that looks lovely.
I bet it's a mommy bird.
Birds of prey. Bald eagle, black vulture, mountain harrier, red shoulder hawk, osprey, and turkey vulture. Look at that tree trunk right there. Huh. Honestly, I haven't spotted any birds except like one in the distance, but so maybe we won't see much today. Hope you enjoyed this short video. Please don't forget to help us out by subscribing and hitting that like button. As always, we look forward to your comments. And if you'd like to stay up to date with all our new videos, please click the notification bell. Thanks, see you soon!